Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is D. D for dog, D for dog. The next one is E. Now we draw F. G for God. The next one is H. Subscribe to our channel. H for hand. Kids, the next one is I. Now we draw I, and the next one is J. J for jackfruit. K for kite. The next one is L. Now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Now we draw the alphabet of R. And the next one is S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. Kids, now we draw the alphabet of V. V for van. The next one is W. W for wolf. Now we draw X. The next one is Y. And now we draw the alphabet of Z. Kids, now we coloring and draw 2D shapes. First we are using black color, and now we draw the shape of hexagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle. The next one is pentagon. And the next one is triangle. And the next one is heart. The shape of heart. And the last one is a star. Kids, now we coloring 2D shapes. First we are using and mixing the color of red. Kids, now we coloring the shape of hexagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using red color. Kids, the next one is circle, the shape of circle. Now we're using the color of blue. Kids, now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, now we're mixing and using yellow color. Kids, the next one is triangle, the shape of triangle. Now we're using the color of green. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. Kids, the next one is heart, the shape of heart. Now we're using again red color. The last one is star. Now we're using black color. Kids, now we're mixing and using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.